Frequently, we take out loans and pay them back on a monthly basis. This formula determines the monthly payment based on the amount of money borrowed and the terms of the loan. The new variable in this formula is R. R stands for the monthly payment. The problem. A student completes college with a total student loan amount of $20,000. The loan is to be repaid monthly over 10 years at 4.2% rate. What will the monthly payment be? Using our formula, R equals P, the initial principal, how much we borrowed, $20,000, multiplied with the fraction, I. I in the numerator is our rate of 0.042 divided by 12, since there are 12 months in a year. The denominator will read 1 minus the quantity 1 plus I, which is 0.042 divided by 12, raised to the negative n power. N stands for the total number of compounding periods. We have 10 years and 12 months each year, so there are 120 total compounding periods, 10 times 12. When we type this into a calculator, depending on the calculator that you're using, we typically need to put an additional set of parentheses around the numerator and denominator to tell the calculator what is considered a numerator and what is considered a denominator. The calculator on the right is similar to many graphing calculators. Now that I want to type in the denominator, put divided by for our denominator and a parenthesis to say, hey, all of this is going to be in the denominator. 1 minus another quantity, 1 plus 0.042 divided by 12. Now that quantity needs to be raised to a power, and the power is negative 120. We close our parenthesis to say we're done with our denominator, and that looks like it might be the answer, but it's not. Hit equals, and the answer is $204.40. So our monthly payment will be $204.40. That would be the answer to the question, what will the monthly payment be? Now, if we also wanted to know what the total payments were, we would take the $204.40, multiply it by 12 months, since there are 12 monthly payments, and multiply that by 10 years, or essentially multiply it by 120, which was our exponent. So taking 204.40, multiplying it with 120 payments, it would be a total payment amount of $24,528. We can compare that to the initial amount borrowed to find that our interest is $4,528. So there's several pieces we've calculated there. First, I calculated the monthly payment. The monthly payment is $204.40. The total payments after 10 years of paying this off is $24,528. And that means the interest that was paid on this loan is $4,528.